children as well. So we've done a message for the parents, and what about the children who might be a bit nervous as well and feeling a bit anxious about, you know, what's going to happen? Sit up and see what you'd like to say to them. That
Just a quick message. Just a quick one.
Come on. I-T-W-I-L-L-B-E-R-E. Come on then. A-L-L-Y. It will be really.
Go. Just a short message.
Come on. Concentrate on your words. It will be really. G-O-O-D. Be really good. It'll be really good. Why? Finish. Finish it. Up you go. It will be really good for Y-O-U. Be really good for you. T-O-D-O-D-H-I-S. It will be really good for you to do this. Is there anything else? Yes or no? No. Okay.
That's
a nice message. It will be, write it down, really good for you to do this. Well, thanks for that message. Very good.